We are pleased to show you the 2019 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.